How we doing, everybody? It's a beautiful day here in the Cheesy Moon Workshop. I was playing around with a little something today, and this is what I came up with. Came up with a little knife display deal here. And as you can see, I have 4 different random knives on there. And so if you had a collection that you wanted to put out on display real quick, change it around, pretty easy to do. I'm going to pause the video here and change a couple poses. Okay, so this here is a Frost cutlery knife I got on here as an example. But maybe you wanted to display your knife like that. Pretty slick, I think. Pretty cool. Let's see if we can try something else here. Okay. And here's an old knife. I believe that's an old Cutmaster that I have yet to clean up. But to me, that's a pretty interesting way of displaying that knife. I just thought I'd share this. I'm having a little bit of fun with it. And let me know what you think. I think it's pretty cool. And just real quickly, well, that didn't work out like I planned, but maybe I want to stand another knife on there. A sister knife or a brother knife or a cousin knife or something. I don't know. Just thought it was pretty cool. Until I see y'all again, have a beautiful day.